Hello and welcome to Ask A Web Geek. My name is CJ Gilbert and you're joining us for episode number 37 of Ask A Web Geek, and we've got a great show for you planned today. But first, it's our featured animal of the week, and that is our elephant. Now, the elephant appears a lot on my show because I think it's a really important message, this metaphor that I've got for you with the elephant. So have you ever heard this? I don't know if it's a joke, I don't know if it's a parable or what it is, but it goes like this. How do you eat an elephant? And the answer is one bite at a time. And the idea behind that is not that you're going to be eating elephants. That's certainly not what we're advising here on the show, but instead it's a metaphor for how you approach these huge obstacles in your life. As you're looking at your web jungle, your business jungle, your life jungle this week, there may be some things that seem like really huge obstacles and you're just not sure how you're going to get through it or how you're going to make progress. And so I'm here to encourage you to say you can only take one bite at a time. You can only take one step at a time. You know, as I went around the block this morning, I just took one step at a time. It doesn't matter how many weeks it's been since I did my walk. It doesn't matter how many years it's been since I had a regular morning walk. What matters is that I was out there today and I took one step and I took one more step and I took one more step. And I went around the block and it was only this much time and this much distance, but you know what? It's putting yourself back into motion that counts. Everything counts. And I'm going to keep doing that every day, and it's going to get a little bit longer and it's going to get a little bit further and it's going to get a little bit faster. And that's how the progress is going to go. So I want you to remember the elephant this week in your jungle. Not because you're going to eat an elephant, because you're going to remember the elephant as a metaphor to help you in your week. Encourage you to just keep taking that one next step. What's the next right step for you today? And just take that very next bite. Do it now. Do it now. When should you do it? Do it now. That's your motto this week. One more step and do it now. So let that encourage you this week as you go forward. One bite at a time. One step at a time. Okay, let's jump into the show. Let me get you my slides. Zoom! Pull off my web safari hat. It's Ask a Web Geek. My name is CJ Gilbert. The show is called Ask a Web Geek. And I say to you, what would you like to ask a web geek? I believe that your website is your number one tool. Say what? Your website is your number one tool to grow and support your business. Did you know it's the only thing that you can fully own and control on the internet? And don't you believe that in this day and age, that's more important than ever, that you have something that you can fully own and control in this digital era, in this digital world? It's your website. Yes, you should use social media. Yes, you should be on YouTube. Yes, you should do all these other things, but never forget that your website is the only thing you can fully own and control on the internet. And that's really exciting because there's so much you can do with it. You know, if you think of your website like a tool to enhance each aspect of your business, you're going to use it intentionally to attract more customers, make more sales, enhance your customer service, increase your efficiency, save time, save money, and serve your clients better, faster, and easier. And I'm here to help you do some of those things today. But first, I want to say congratulations. If you're watching me, if you're listening to me right now, that means that you're the kind of person that is working on your business. You're working to improve your situation. And so I want to say to you, congratulations. You're in the right place at the right time. If you're right-handed, take your right hand. If you're left-handed, take your left hand and give yourself a pat on the back. Give yourself a little mini hug because you're working on improving yourself, and that puts you in a small percentage of the world that's actively working to improve their life, their business, and their situation. And you deserve a congratulations this morning for being here. What other questions do you have that I can help you? Either with your blog or with your social media or any of those pieces or something else that's happened to you this week. I'm here to help you. My name is CJ and I'm here to help you through this web jungle. Let me be your guide as I lead you through and get you where you want to go. It's too easy. It's too easy to get lost. And I'm here to help. And do check out the free video workshop, my website, safari.com. Figure out in this free course how you can really make your website work for you. It's a tool. Let's put it to work for your business. and help you save time, save money, but really serve your clients better, faster, and easier. And then come on back and let me know what questions you have. All the links and details are at askawebgeek.com. That's where you can find all of the previous episodes, all of the notes, all of the links, and all of the resources. My name is CJ Gilbert, and I'm the Web Geek, and I'm here to help you through this internet jungle. You know, at Gilbert Studios and Ask A Web Geek, we understand the internet is a jungle. It's too easy to get lost, fall into a hidden trap, make your way down a path that doesn't lead you to where you wanted to go, and you just feel lost and you feel stuck in the jungle. Don't let that happen to you. Join up with a tribe of people. Hire a well-trained guide that can lead you through that jungle and get you exactly where you want to go. Make it a wonderful week. I'm wishing you a happy Wednesday, a happy website Wednesday. Make it a wonderful week, and we'll see you next week in the web jungle. God bless. I'm a little rusty. It's been a couple weeks, but you know what? I think we did it anyway. Okay, I think I'm good there. Okay. All right, here we go. Let's do this. Okay, that's absolutely silly, CJ. Why are you doing this nonsense? Who knows? Who knows why he does these things? He does these things for your amusement. Invite a friend into our Facebook group, subscribe on YouTube, and have a wonderful, wonderful week. Let me know how I can help you this week in the web jungle. It's CJ Gilbert reminding you, the internet is a jungle. Roar! And all you have to do is take one step at a time, one bite at a time. Have a good one. Bye for now.